The MUSICOZY Sleep Headphones are designed to combine the comfort of a sleep mask with the convenience of wireless Bluetooth headphones, targeting users who seek better sleep quality through sound and light blocking. These headphones utilize the latest Bluetooth 5.4 technology, promising a stable connection with smartphones or tablets within a 33-foot range. The sound profile emphasizes deep bass and clear treble, aiming to provide an immersive audio experience while maintaining the comfort needed for restful sleep. The product is particularly marketed to side sleepers, with ultra-thin, silicone-covered speakers that minimize pressure on the ears and face, a common issue with traditional headphones when lying on one side. One of the standout features of the MUSICOZY Sleep Headphones is their comfort-oriented design. The headband is made from premium memory foam combined with a smooth ice silk lining. This material choice ensures the mask is lightweight, breathable, and soft against the skin. Users report that the ergonomic design effectively relieves facial pressure, making it barely noticeable during sleep. The adjustable Velcro strap allows for a secure fit without being too tight, which is crucial for maintaining comfort throughout the night. Additionally, the mask blocks out light effectively, which helps users fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Battery life is another strong point for these headphones. Equipped with an upgraded battery chip, the device requires only 1 to 2 hours of charging to deliver up to 14 hours of continuous playback. This capacity is more than sufficient for an entire night's use, and users appreciate the quick recharge time. The headphones also include volume and Bluetooth pairing buttons conveniently located on the top of the mask, allowing easy control without fumbling in the dark. However, some users note that the alert sounds for low battery or incoming calls can be louder than the audio playback, which can be slightly disruptive. Sound quality is generally praised for its clarity and balance. The speakers deliver decent stereo sound with enough bass to enjoy ambient noise, meditation tracks, or sleep-inducing audio without distortion. While not audiophile grade, the sound is more than adequate for the product's intended use. Some users mention that adjusting the position of the speakers can be a bit tricky at first, especially to avoid discomfort when sleeping on the side. The speakers are flat and round, designed to reduce pressure points, but occasional repositioning may be necessary to maintain comfort. The headphones are also valued for their versatility. They're suitable not only for sleep, but also for meditation, yoga, travel, and blocking out noise in noisy environments such as airplanes or public transport. The noise-canceling effect comes primarily from the mask's light blocking and snug fit rather than active noise cancellation technology. This makes them effective for reducing distractions from snoring partners or ambient sounds. Durability is a mixed aspect based on user feedback. While many users report reliable performance over several years, some mention that the product eventually fails after prolonged use, which is somewhat expected for wearable electronics. The included carrying bag enhances portability and helps keep the headphones clean when not in use, a thoughtful addition for travelers. Users with specific health issues such as chronic pain, neuropathies, or sleep disorders have found these headphones helpful in improving sleep quality. The combination of darkness, comfort, and soothing audio has allowed some to reduce reliance on sleep aids or medications. The product's ability to support self-hypnosis, lucid dreaming, and relaxation techniques is frequently highlighted in reviews. Despite the many positives, there are some drawbacks. The Velcro strap, while adjustable and secure, can snag long hair, which might be uncomfortable for some users. The charging cable occasionally slips out of its pocket, though this is a minor inconvenience. Battery life, while generally good, can be shorter if the headphones are used to play audio all night long continuously, requiring more frequent charging. Additionally, the speakers can cause slight discomfort for some side sleepers, especially if the fit is not perfectly adjusted. Overall, the MUSICOZY Sleep Headphones offer a compelling blend of comfort, sound quality, and battery performance tailored for those who struggle with sleep or want to enhance their relaxation routines. Their design specifically caters to side sleepers, a group often overlooked by traditional headphone manufacturers. The product is also a thoughtful gift option for anyone who values comfort and quality sleep. Users are encouraged to leave their own reviews to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. This headset stands out as a practical and effective solution for improving sleep and relaxation in a variety of settings.